Hey guys, how's it going? You are about to witness the first run of my bandsaw ever. It's a wooden bandsaw, shop built off plans by Matthias Wandel. Right now it's very sketchy. You've got no blade guards on it at all. And I didn't even cut the shaft for the bottom. It's just a wooden dowel. So, yep. But let's give it a run here. The blade's tracking really well on the crown wheels. No inner tubes yet, but it is tracking very well. So, let's see. There you go, YouTube. First run of my bandsaw. Got a little bit of vibrations, but should be able to fix that. See you guys later.